Good morning, students. Today I will teach you plural. What is plural? Plural means more than one. अगर कोई चीज एक से ज्यादा हो so उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Plural. So let's know about some more about the plural and some plural words. Look, what is this? Arm. A-R-M, arm. Suppose it will be more arm, then what we will say? Arms. A-R-M-S. Arms. So what is the plural of arm? Arms. A-R-M-S. Arms. What is this? Apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Suppose you have more than one apple. एक से ज्यादा apple है. Then what you will say? Apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Apples. We will not say two apple. How we will say? Two apples. Three apples. But if there is only one, then what we will say? Apple. One apple. But two apples. Three apples. Okay, many apples. Very good. No, what is this? Bag. B-A-G, bag. Suppose you have two bags. Then what you will say? Two bag? No, bags. Two bags. B-A-G-S. Bags. What is this? Ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, if there will be more than one ball, then what we will say? Balls. B-A-L-L-S. Balls. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. If there will be more than one book, then what we will say? Books. B-O-O-K-S. Books. I have 3 books. I will not say this. I have 3 books. This is wrong. How you will say? I have 3 books. Yes. Look, dog. D-O-G, dog. Suppose you have 2 dogs. Then what you will say? 2 dogs. D-O-G-S, dogs. Very good. Now what is this? Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. And the plural of donkey is donkeys. D-O-N-K-E-Y-S, donkeys. Yes. What is this? Hen. H-E-N, hen. And if there will be more than one hen, then what you will say? Hens. H-E-N-S, hens. What is this? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Suppose there is 4 horse. Then what you will say? 4 horse? No. What you will say? 4 horses. Okay? H-O-R-S-E-S. Horses. Okay? The plural of horse is horses. Yes. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And the plural of monkey is monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S, monkeys. Pen. P-E-N, pen. And the plural of pen is pens. P-E-N-S, pens. What is this? Mouse. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. If you see more than one mouse, what you will say? 2 mouses? No. The mouse plural is mice. M-I-C-E, mice. What is this? Road. R-O-A-D, road. And the plural of road is roads. Table. T-A-B-L-E, table. And the plural of table is tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. What is this? Blackboard. blackboard, blackboard. And the plural of blackboard is blackboards. blackboards, blackboards. Tree, tree, and the plural of tree is trees, trees. What is this? Pear, pear. Suppose if there is more than one pair, then what you will say? Pairs, pairs. Ring, ring, ring. Suppose your mother has two ring, then what you will say? Two ring? No, two rings, rings, rings. What is this? Tiger, 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 and the plural of tiger is tigers, tigers, tigers. Suppose you are watching TV and there are two tigers, then what you will say? Two tiger? No, two tigers. What is this? Umbrella, and the plural of umbrella is umbrellas. Bench, 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 benches. Grapes, and the plural is the same, grapes, because we can't get one grape. We get it in bunch, gucha. Bunch means gucha. So that is why it is already plural. So the same will be the plural, grapes. And what is this? Dish, dish, dish. And the plural of dish is dishes, dishes, dishes. Watch, watch, watch. If your father has two watches, then what you will say? To watch? No, two watches. Yes, watches, watches. What is this? Bricks. Okay, suppose there are more than one brick, then what you will say? Bricks. Yes. Almirah, almirahs. Box, boxes. Sandwich, sandwiches. Grass, grasses. Axe, axes. It means if you get anything more than one, then we have to put s or es in the singular to make the plural. Thank you very much. Write these words in your copy, one side singular and one side plural. And remember, thank you very much. Bye bye.